Hey, what's up, guys? I'm Scott from MuscularStrength.com, and today's video topic is a little different than what you're used to on my channel. Now, let me start off by saying I saw Captain Marvel, I saw Endgame. I thought both movies were really great, and when I go to the movies, I go there for the movie. I could care less about the actors and their personal lives. But there's been so much controversy around Brie Larson with, people not liking her and the things she said.
There's no competition for me because I'm the strongest, so it's just kind of like a different...
Well, you should let her think that, but yeah.
It's not. As I've said before, it's not. It's just a fact. It's not a personal opinion.
And then my daughter last night on the way to Endgame showed me this video because it's been said that she had a butt double and they actually had a casting for it. And then they show people on set like Brie Larson with her flat butt next to another Captain Marvel with a juicy butt. So obviously there was a butt double. And my daughter showed me a video of Brie Larson's response where she was doing a hip thrust with like 405 pounds. And after watching that video, I kind of got triggered. And it has nothing really to do with Brie Larson. It has to do with her trainer. Everybody in Hollywood claims they're a celebrity trainer just because they know a celebrity and they got hired. Now all of a sudden they're a celebrity trainer. Just because you call yourself a celebrity trainer and you charge a ton of money, it doesn't mean you really know what you're talking about. And there's a lot of great celebrity trainers out there. Brie Larson's trainer, not one of them. In the video, she's doing the barbell hip thrust, which there's this exercise right here. And I'll get the barbell on in a second, but it's basically this exercise where your back is on the bench and you go all the way down, all the way up. And she was doing it with 405. She did like 6 reps or something. And her trainer is standing right here as if he's going to be able to grab the 405 and curl it or do something without blowing his back out if she needed the help. And it's like right there I knew that her trainer was garbage. If she needed help or if she got stuck, all she would have to do is just do this. Boop, and then she's good. Why is the trainer sitting there? The weights are going to hit the ground, and the bar is going to be here, and all she has to do is roll it off. Now, celebrity trainers, what they do with their clients is they just get really interactive, and I've noticed this for a while now. When I lived in New York City back in my real-world days, I was going to a gym called David Barton's on 21st Street or something like that, or 23rd. I don't remember, somewhere around there. And I saw Anderson Cooper being trained by his trainer. And I noticed that the trainer wasn't that good, but he was very hands-on. And I feel like that hands-on trainer vibe makes the person feel like they're being taken care of. So the trainer was having Anderson Cooper do a tricep kickback like this, right? But the trainer had his arm on the dude's back, on Anderson's back. So it's like his elbow was like this, and he was holding his elbow in place to do the tricep kickback, and I'm like, what are you doing, dude? Like, that is so unnecessary. But it's that hands-on approach. Now, the problem with Brie Larson is instead of just accepting that maybe you don't have a juicy butt like your butt double, like, we're not all perfect. There's parts of my body that aren't as great as other people. We have to own that and accept it. And, to be in a world where body image is so important, to lie about it, I feel like it makes other women feel bad about themselves. Like, just admit it. Be like, oh yeah, my butt looked a little flat, whatever. We wanted it to look good for camera. Moving on. Same thing with Zach Levy for Shazam. This whole controversy of him wearing a padded suit. And what did he do? He posted a photo of himself in the mirror. Don't get me wrong, he looked great, but he didn't look like Shazam. That's like, we don't expect Mark Ruffalo to gain 300 pounds to be the Hulk. It's just not going to happen. So a little more accountability for your actions would be much better than lying about it. But how I know that video is just her attempt at trying to be like, oh, I didn't have a butt double. Look how much weight I can lift. Well, you can lift a lot of weight with shit form on pretty much any exercise. It doesn't mean you have the muscle to back it up. And what I mean by that is, on her video, she's doing the exercise like this, and she's banging out her reps, and her trainer's standing over her because who knows why, and she's doing this. To do a hip thrust and actually activate your glutes, you have to get from this point to this point and flex your glutes as hard as you possibly can before going back down. Even if it's just for a second, you have to get hip hyperextension. And at no point in that video were her hips at hip hyperextension. She was just kind of throwing the weight like that, which was doing nothing for her besides trying to redeem herself on her Instagram page. Now, like I said, I teach fitness on YouTube. This video is probably gonna get viewed by a lot of women who are gonna be outraged that I'm talking about her body. My daughter showed me the video. I'm married. It ain't no big deal. I'm just trying to help. I actually made a video a couple weeks ago, glutes, the only 2 exercises you need for muscle growth, where I dive into this in much more detail and I show you the exercises and I give you a routine. If you want to check that video out, just click this link right here. And I'll tell you right now, if you want to build juicy glutes, doing this, whatever the heck this is, it's not gonna do it, okay? We're gonna move on from that and we're gonna help you get to, well, maybe Brie Larson will watch this video and we can help her build those glutes up so in phase 4, she doesn't need a butt double. Who knows? Smash that like button if you enjoyed the video. Hope you guys all have a wonderful day. And as always, keep those glutes firm. See you guys. If you guys want to see all the videos in my only 2 series, only 2 exercises you need for muscle growth, click the playlist over here. And if you haven't already, download my app. So much free information at your fingertips. You won't have to spend millions of dollars on a crappy celebrity trainer. You can have me for free.